How to find price, how to find last sale price for a specific item in Tally. We are in the situation where the price for that item is not there, like it is a supermarket setup. The price is off, the price tag is off, and the attendant does not know the the actual price for that item. So now what we need to do is to find the price. So with that, you go to Tally, double click on it to open it. Okay, select company, you scroll down. Now from the gateway, you click on stock summary. For our case is it is under the category of expiring stock, under the subcategory of powdered soap. So for these categories, what you do to find them first, you just need to press the first letter of that word. Now for my case, I had to press P. For your case, you might end up maybe pressing C, A, F. It depends. Now just select it, you press enter. Now for me, what I'm looking for is magic circuit 1 kilogram. Double click on the item. Now here what we are looking for, do you see these columns? Like for example this one, it is inwards. Inwards mean those are the items that that you purchase, and outwards are the items that you sell. Now for our case, what we're looking for is the outwards. There are these two items here. We have to consider them. There are two at this price. What we need to do, let us get our calculator. One five 400. This for the two items. Divide by 2. We are dividing by 2 because we want to get the actual price for one item. Enter. Here it is saying 7,700. Okay guys, that is the price for the last sale price for that specific item. Thank you for watching.